Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Take your hair and tie it in the form of half ponytail. Then take one part of the hair from the side and insert it inside the gaps of the above ponytail. Then take another part of the hair and roll it and then repeat the same process of putting it inside the upper gap of the ponytail. Then take the rest over part of the hair and keep tying simple plaits with that kind of ponytail. Just do it consistently until you are finally done. Then roll your hair upwards and then clip it with the help of a bobby pin and give it a snaky look by clipping and securing it from all the ends. Now you can decorate it as your own whims and fancies. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail. Then divide your hair into two parts and insert one part into the gap of the other. Then take the rest of the part of the hair and tie plaits. Then roll the plaits upwards and then around the upper part and the juda part. Then secure it tightly. Take your hair from one side and then from the other, tie half ponytail. Take the lower part, tie the ponytail again, divide it into two and then tie it again. Then make a gap in between and pull out your hair from the gap and then repeat the same process of inserting your upper part of the hair into the gap of the lower part. And then when you are done, take the remaining hair and repeat the same process of putting it upwards. When you are finally done with all the parts of the hair inside your head and then take and secure the rest over part. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail from the sides and then keep repeating the same process of inserting your hair into the gap. Then take both the parts together and tie them together. Then repeat the same process of putting it inside the gap and then rolling it upwards, giving it a ribbony look. Then take hair from every angle and keep tying small cute plaits with that part of the hair. Do consistent and be very fast in your work so that your hair hack looks effective. Repeat the same process with the other part of the hair as well. Then take both the parts and tie them together. Take one part of the hair and tie half ponytail. Then insert the ponytail inside your hair. Then divide it into two and then roll it and clip it inside the upper part of the gap so that it looks like a mesh-like structure. Then repeat the same process of clipping it inside and pulling it outside from the other end. Take the rest over part of the hair and then secure it. Take two parts of the hair and tie half ponytail. Then take one part of the hair and tie it in the form of a knot with the upper part. Then repeat the same process of tying knot so that it gives you an overall mesh-like structure from within. Then keep tying plaits and keep tying it in the form of a knot. And then when you are completely done, tie the lower part. Thank you for watching.